Okay, we'll do a little video walkthrough. So the swim platform, I think it's about 3 feet. Adds about 2 feet off the original length of the back. Upholstery, a little bit of wear there. In good shape in general. Some stitching coming apart there. Some stitching coming apart here too. A couple spots. Actually, I'm planning on pinning that. So we got 2 speakers back here. Engine. Cockpit. The speedometer was not working. I'm gonna have the mechanic look at it because I think it had something to do with him replacing the outdrive. Driver's bench is perfect. And this door slides. And down here, we've got a plastic protector over the carpet. And then this is just a little mat. Got a sink, excuse the mess. Microwave works, sink works, refrigerator, the fridge, little freezer box, that works. Got some storage here, drawer, more storage. AC controls are here, AC works while you're at the dock. 2 speakers in here. And these side windows both open. This is the toilet. Actually, maybe that bulb's out. This is obviously never used. We've never even used the toilet. Some storage. The toilet's under those fenders. And this is the bedroom. That's the sun pad. It's newly recovered. And you've got a queen size bed down there, some storage under that little seat, and a cabinet here. And you got a little bit of the window. V-berth, and you've got the hatch there outside. So interior upholstery is just about perfect. Smells good. No funky smells. It's not musty or mildewy. Stereo is new with the speakers 6 years ago. More storage there. And let's see. Actually, one other thing, I noticed the horn does not work. I have not explored it. It is there. So I don't know if it's just a connection. But gel coat's in great shape, especially for an older boat. And you got your shore power there. And back to the door.